Alright, today I'm doing a quick unboxing of the Fire TV Stick 4K. Here's a quick look at the box. And up top, to open it up, just pull this just like so, and it opens up easily. And yep, that's everything that comes in the box. So first up, we're gonna have the Fire Stick itself, and this is gonna be HDMI, of course. And here we could see HDMI embedded here, and some more information on the back side. Now inside, we're also gonna have the user manual, as well as the power cable, and this is gonna be USB-A to micro USB, it looks like. And then there's one more cable here. This one looks like it's kind of stuck, but there it is. This is gonna be HDMI to HDMI, so kind of like an extender. And I think there's one more thing in here that's stuck all the way on the other side, and that's going to be the power adapter, as well as 2 AAA batteries. And now the last thing is going to be the remote control itself. So here it is. Here we got the big dial in the center, power button, Alexa, various other controls, and quick shortcuts to Prime, Netflix, Disney Plus, and Peacock. And all the way at the bottom, there's the Fire TV logo. And here's the back side. And of course, this is where it takes both AAA batteries. But yeah, that's a quick unboxing of the Fire TV Stick.